Hello, my name is Kevin Carter, and I'm a principal strategist for the Winters Group. I've worked in the diversity and inclusion field for more than 25 years and served as the D&I leader for companies such as BP, Safeco Insurance, and the Campbell Soup Company. The purpose of this short video is to introduce you to the Me Too Imperfect Ally course and workshop. The course offers a method for dialogue and collaboration across genders to eliminate sexual harassment and to create empowering work environments for all people. The Me Too Imperfect Ally assessment and workshop includes 5 stages: reflection, acknowledgement, listening, empowerment, and achievement. We'll review each section next. The first step in the assessment is reflection or self-examination. This step includes asking yourself, who have I been? Was my behavior always aligned with my intentions? What was the impact of my behavior? During the session, we use the intercultural development continuum to provide a behavioral standard. How many people can say that their behavior has always operated at the stage of acceptance or adaptation concerning issues of gender and gender equity? We can all do better. We are all imperfect. The next step is acknowledgement, which requires admitting that we have not always modeled empathy, curiosity, and understanding regarding different sexes and gender. We utilize LIFO, or life orientations, to discuss how behaviors exist on a continuum. During acknowledgement, it is vital to understand the messages you have received and how you exhibit those messages in your actions. We are recommending that genders and sexes strive to discuss received messages to determine how those messages drive behaviors and to confirm the appropriate balance from another person's perspective. The next step in the Me Too Imperfect Ally model is listening, which includes understanding and neither rebutting nor minimizing another person's experience. Listening involves having empathy versus sympathy to truly understand someone else's situation. We will discuss that when we listen effectively, we hear and acknowledge that experiences vary across race and other elements of difference, such as age, physical ability, sexual orientation, and military status. The next stage is empowerment. If men and women can reflect, acknowledge, and listen differently, we can empower each other and be proactive partners in finding tangible and pragmatic solutions regarding sexual harassment and violence in the workplace and society. The objective of empowerment is to find congruence in intentions, behaviors, and impact that represent progress. Men and women stand alongside each other for gender equity. We use the Power Dial model to offer practical behaviors to enhance your own and someone else's empowerment, and then really work with you to develop actions that you can take in each area of the Power Dial model. The final component is achievement. Within this section, we provide tangible methods that organizations can use to prevent sexual harassment, to better recruit, retain, and advance women. We spend a good amount of time during this section to help participants learn from each other to improve their work environments. The course then pulls everything together into a 5-step action plan. I will share my action plan to foster gender equity and also help you build your plan. We provide a 5.5 by 8.5 index card for participants to confirm their action plans with each other, and really work to build momentum to advance gender equity within their organizations. We are excited about this course and workshop and look forward to working with you to improve your ability to foster gender equity and empowerment within your organization. Thank you very much.